Alright, useless. The check engine light's on. You can hear that noise it's making. Usually it only makes that noise when the door's open. The seatbelt light's on. I don't know if it did that before. But that's about it. And it stays on when I turn the car off. And open the door, close the door, like it doesn't go away. The only time that light goes off is when I turn on the hazards or the flashers. That's the only time it shuts off.